Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your limit switch on a Genie garage door opener. This is a Genie Pro screw drive. And what happens is this little limit switch will limit the travel of the carriage here. This little carriage is attached to the garage door arm right here. And then you can see down there at that end we've got another limit switch for the downward travel, and this here is for the upward travel. Now when these limit switches go bad, they will not stop the garage door from running. So what happened the other day is someone opened the garage door, this carriage went all the way this direction, and it went right through the limit switch and just kept on going, slammed into this this light cover. Sorry, that's all dirty, but slammed into that light cover, broke one of the bulbs inside, and then the garage door slammed shut because this little trigger right here, you know, this little emergency release, this little trigger ran right into this, causing that to drop, and then the whole door slammed shut. So wife came and told me that happened. I thought for sure it was a broken tension spring over here. One of the springs I thought maybe had snapped or broken, and I thought that was going to be the issue. I came out and then I saw that the carriage, I saw that this lever was down, and so I thought maybe, you know, it had maybe mistakenly just popped out, or that sometimes the little teeth that engage here into the screw drive, I thought those were worn out. I've replaced this carriage before. So I did a test run on it, put the arm back up, and it ran just fine, but did the exact same thing. It just went right through the limit switch. Like it didn't stop it at all until it hit this plastic cover. Well, luckily this thing didn't break. So I went ahead and ordered a new limit switch, and that's what I'm going to show you how to change real quick. All right, and now here's our replacement. The little plastic arm on here is black as opposed to white like the original one, but it looks like it will work just fine. Also, I wanted to note that this little screw to attach this to the track is on this side. On the old one, it's on the opposite side here. Let me see if I can show you that real quick. Just going to loosen that with a 1/4 inch drive. And then we've also got just this one wire on the top here. Just disconnect that, set it aside, and then we'll just loosen that the rest of the way. Take off the old one. Sometimes the contacts in here where this little metal thing makes contact can get dirty. I sanded that, as you can see that it's nice and clean. Hopefully that'll show up on camera, but I sanded that contact both sides, and I thought maybe that would fix it, but that still did not engage or didn't work. So I'm hoping that by replacing this, that will solve our issue. All right, now I've just got this positioned roughly in the same spot as the old one, and I'm just going to tighten this down on the rail. Just make that snug. And that should work just fine. And then we'll connect the wire here. Now for the sake of testing this, I'm going to run the motor, and then I'm going to manually check this. If it doesn't work, then we can stop it with the button. But let's take a look and see if that'll work. Alright, so I've got the garage door partially closed now, and then to test this, I'm going to have someone push the button, and then I'm going to manually trigger this as we push it in the open position. So go ahead and push the button, and that stopped it. So that works. We're good. Let's go ahead and test it the rest of the way. So go ahead and close it. You can see it hits that limit switch down there, and then let's go ahead and open it all the way. Perfect. And you can see that carriage just stopped short of that light fixture, just right where I want it. You know, if you need to, you can loosen this screw and fine tune or move this a little bit forward or back if you need to open it a little bit more, a little bit less. But doors open all the way. That's about as close as I need it to be to that light fixture. And you're done. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. That's the part number I use, the 20113R. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick that up as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.